Welcome to Worthxia, where smart money decisions create a better future.
Hello everyone, once again a warm welcome to our channel, to all my dear loving, caring, supporting and respected audience and my friends. Today we are going to know about a special and important realistic base topic, that is how to save money if you are living paycheck to paycheck. The truth nobody tells you, but through this video you will gain some points and tips. It may be helpful for you. So I would like to do a humble request from the core of my heart. Please try to stay connected with me until the end. So let's begin. Imagine this, you get paid for one day, you feel rich. You tell yourself this month will be different, but within a week, bills, groceries, subscriptions, coffee, online shopping, offline shopping, unexpected some expenses. And again, suddenly when you focus on your bank account, is come to see that it almost become empty once again. Sound is very similar, right? If it does, then remember, you are not bad with money. Actually, you are simply trapped inside a system designed to make spending easier than saving. And that's why today I'm going to show you why most people struggle to save money. And more importantly, how ordinary people around the world are finally breaking this cycle. I will share 5 parts through this video. So let's move to the part 1. The biggest lie about saving money. Since childhood, we have often heard the same advice: spend less, save more. If you really wanted to save, you would. Sounds is very simple, but in reality, it is quite different. Millions of people work full time, yet still live paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because modern life quietly drains your money. Rent increases every year. Food gets more expensive. Healthcare cost increase. School fee, college fee, tuition fee. Also, we see it increases every year. Even though fuel prices fluctuate, streaming services multiply, apps charge monthly subscriptions, even your phone encourages spending with one-click purchases. This truth is, saving money today isn't just about discipline. It's about fighting hundreds of tiny financial decisions every single week. Most people don't lose money in one huge purchase. They lose it in small daily habits they barely notice. And that are like $5 here, $10 there. Again, spend $20 somewhere else. So, like this way, small leaks. Eventually, sink the biggest ships. Now, let's see or hear the part 2. Why our brain loves to spending. Here's something fascinating. Our brain rewards spending. Every purchase releases dopamine, the chemical linked with pleasure. That's why online shopping feels exciting, sales feel urgent, limited time offers create pressure. Companies understand psychology better than most consumers. They don't just sell products, they sell emotions, comfort, status, convenience, happiness. So just think about it. Have you ever bought something only to stop caring about it a week later? Almost everyone has. Because the excitement comes from buying, not owning. The richest companies on earth invest billions studying human behavior. Meanwhile, most people never learn how their own mind works. Saving money isn't only a financial skill, it's a psychological skill. Part 3. The hidden habits that keep people broke. Let's look at a habit many people don't even realize are hurting them. Habit number 1. Lifestyle inflation. You get a rise instead of saving it. You upgrade everything: a nicer phone, a bigger apartment, more expensive restaurants, better clothes, better accessories, higher monthly payments. Soon your income doubles. But your savings will stay the same. Habit number 2. Emotional spending. Stress, loneliness, boredom, celebration. Many purchases are not based on need, they are based on emotion only. Shopping temporarily makes people feel better, but financial stress soon replaces emotional stress. Habit number 3. Waiting to save what's left. Most people think, I will save whatever remains at the end of the month. The problem? Usually, nothing remains. Successful savers reverse the process. They save first, spend second. Habit 4. Comparing yourself to others. Social media makes everyone look wealthy. Luxury vacations, designer clothes, new cars, perfect homes, and perfect interiors. But remember one thing, you are seeing highlights, not that, not loans, not even credit card balances. And that's why we should know that comparison is the main key root, or comparison is one of the fastest ways to destroy your finances or our finances. Now let's move with part 4, the money habits that actually work. Now let's talk about solutions, not unrealistic advice, real habits that used by financially stable people worldwide. Habit 1. Pay yourself first. The moment your salary arrives, automatically move a percentage into saving, even if it's only 5%. Consistency beats size. Habit 2. Wait 24 hours before buying anything non essential. Most impulse purchases disappear after one day. If you still want it tomorrow, then that's okay, but think again. Habit 3. Track every expense for 1 month. Not to judge yourself, to discover patterns. Awareness changes human behavior. Habit 4. Build an emergency fund. Life always surprises us. Remember it, life always surprises us. Like sometimes we have to face job loss, medical bills, unexpected some expenses, unexpected emergency travel, broken appliances, etc. etc. So, an emergency fund turns disasters into inconveniences. Habit 5. Focus on value. Cheap isn't always affordable. Expensive isn't always wasteful, but things that last. Quality often saves money over time. Habit 6. Learn one skill every month. Budgeting, investing, taxes, negotiation, credit scores. The more you know, the less expensive your mistakes become. Part 5. The truth about wealth. Here's something most wealthy people understand. Money isn't about looking rich. It's about buying freedom. Freedom to leave a toxic job. Freedom to spend time with family. Freedom to handle emergencies. Freedom to sleep peacefully. Saving money isn't punishment. It's buying options for your future. Every dollar you don't waste works quietly for the life you actually want. The goal isn't to impress strangers. The goal is peace of mind. If you are waiting for the perfect income before saving, you may wait forever. But if you build the habit today, even with a small amount, your future self will thank you. Remember, financial freedom isn't created by one big decision. It's built through thousands of small ones. And that's why, if you found this video valuable, then subscribe to our channel for practical money advice, wealth building strategies, and smart financial habits that actually work in real life. Because building wealth doesn't start when you become rich. It starts the moment you decide to think differently. Once again, thank you so very much for watching this video, and I will again see you soon in the next video. Take care and bye-bye.